When we realized that COVID would have a much larger impact and a longer term effect on how we worked and especially how we trained, we reached out to Montgomery College and talked about what are we going to do.
Emmes is a public health company. We're headquartered in Montgomery County, and we do clinical research. We run data analytics for many different research studies. We're doing a lot of work in the COVID space in terms of vaccine and advanced therapeutics. And about 2 years ago, we saw that we had a great need for supervisors to have greater support and resources available to them, and thought it would be really wonderful to partner with Montgomery College to create a program. And then with COVID, as you know, there's so many different things that our supervisors are faced with that none of us have been faced with before.
MC Business Solutions is part of Montgomery College Workforce Development and Continuing Education. We provide training to businesses, and what we did is we brought in our subject matter expert to listen to them and plan out a supervisory training.
So when March 18th hit, we didn't want to slow down our supervisor training. We didn't want to pause it. We didn't want to delay it. The Montgomery College was so willing to work with us, and it absolutely was seamless. We did not miss a beat. Employees still felt engaged. All of the signups and registration went smoothly. We've actually had an increase in participants since we went remote, which has been great.
It's a continuing partnership that we have. And we were wrapping up the leadership classes when the pandemic hit. But because we have been like a close partner with them, we realized that there are other training needs.
And Montgomery College did help us through that by helping to offer several courses for our employees during the times of COVID, whether it was preventing burnout or simply how to transition to full-time remote work. It was Montgomery College that really put in a lot of effort to make that transition seamless and make it seem like we've been, training remotely our entire lives.
The platform allows for that interaction to still carry over, even though it's being done in a remote setting.
What I liked about Montgomery College courses are the instructors' quality and background and experience in the industry.
The instructors are really engaging. Like, they really want to engage staff in the conversation.
We reached out to Montgomery College to figure out what course would help our supervisors to keep that engagement going. This course that Montgomery College designed for us gave them those tools and guidelines and guidance on how you will know if your staff member is engaged, how to have those conversations.
One of the things that's been really wonderful about partnering with MC is they really listened to our needs as a company, and it wasn't just kind of an off-the-shelf package program that they've provided for us. We were able to share like what our specific needs are and our unique culture, and MC has been wonderful partnering with us and customizing the supervisors training program to really reflect the culture of the company.
I would say, given our strong relationship with Montgomery College and the fact that we've been working with them for 2 years now, the fact that they have become very familiar with Emmes and our employees' needs, we were able to come up from concept to delivery within 2 to 3 weeks for some of our courses lately with Montgomery College. And that's been essential. With COVID, everything became unknown, and we had to really speed up the resources and the timetables in which we provided those to our folks.
We have that relationship with them, that they know what we are capable of offering, the quality of our training, the flexibility of our instructor and the training content, and the affordability of our courses.
These courses are more targeted to the culture of our organization.
We got a different perspective. We got the perspective from industry.
The quality of the Montgomery College instructors is second to none.
We have seen a tremendous return on an investment, and the benefit and outcome has just been absolutely wonderful.
The collaboration and the approach that Montgomery College took, the time that they continue to take, even after having worked with us for 2 years, they treat us like we're still a new client.